across most of the island. Rain battered rooftops as a tropical wave affected the area. And Shanna, how about you give our viewers a little refresher on what to expect in case of severe weather?
Into you, Sheena, and of course all loyal viewers. As you are aware, we are in the hurricane season, and for the past few days we have been experiencing a lot of showers due to a tropical wave. Now, I'm sure many of you are aware of certain things that need to be done during a storm or hurricane, but I have some pretty great hurricane tips to add to what you may already know. Hurricanes are massive storm systems that form over the water and move toward land. Threats from hurricane include high winds, heavy rainfall, storm surge, coastal and inland flooding, rip currents, and even tornadoes, which we don't see every day in Dominica. While forecasting methods and tools are improving year after year, people are still at great risk to tropical storms and hurricanes. Here are a list of helpful hints that you can use before hurricane season, when a watch or warning is issued, before, during, and after a tropical storm or hurricane strikes your area. Enter the season prepared. Know all evacuation routes if you live close to the coast. Make sure your home meets building codes for withstanding hurricanes, and they have storm shutters. Have proper tools, supplies, and a first aid kit. Have plenty of batteries and flashlights. Always have plenty of non-perishable foods on hand. When a watch is issued, leave low-lying areas, protect windows with plywood boards or storm shutters, secure outdoor objects, make sure you have plenty of fuel and water, have several days of supply of food and water for each family member. If called to evacuate, do so immediately. And before the storm, be ready to put your plan and preparation into action. Pay attention to local weather reports on radio, television, or the internet. Have house boarded up or have storm shutters in place. Have plenty of food and water as well. Make sure all your tools, supplies, and first aid kit are available for use, and have a secure room available. During the storm, stay in a secure room. Stay away from windows. Do not use the phone or candles. Remain indoors when the eye moves over your area, because the storm will resume shortly. And after the storm, make sure that all is definitely clear outside and the storm has completely passed before going out. Report downed power lines and stay away from them. Use stored water and food. Be patient. Things will take a while before they get back to normal. So far, we have not experienced any major storms or hurricanes, but that does not mean you can't be prepared. I hope these tips are as helpful to you as they are to me. Now, the forecast for this evening is rain showers early, becoming more irregular overnight. Overnight low is at 79 degrees, with winds coming from an easterly direction at 10 to 20 miles per hour, with a 60% chance of rain. More information on that right after the primetime news. Back to you, Sheena.
And thank you, Shanna, for that report.